Hey y'all, welcome to my channel Glam Girl Tanya. Hope you all are good. Today I'm gonna share you 4 DIYs or hacks with aloe vera gel, which is very helpful and useful for our skin and hairs. Please make sure that don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for a notification, and do like my video. Hack number 2. As a hair mask, apply this gel directly on your scalp. Leave it on for an hour and wash with a mild shampoo. Reapply 2 or 3 times for a better result in a week. Hack number 3. DIY mask for acne and pimple. Mix turmeric powder with aloe vera gel and apply it on your skin. For better result, repeat this process twice in a week. Hack number 4. DIY under eye cream. For a radiant complexion, mix aloe vera gel with almond oil to make a cream. I am using Rogan Badam Shireen almond oil. You can use any. Apply this cream on your under eye area daily at night for a better result. Repeat this process every day. I'm damn sure it will give you a best result. So this was the video. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye, love you all.